everybody, welcome to my video today. I have missed hanging out with you guys. I was a little MIA last week. I got a cold that I was fighting and trying to get better from, and I had some things that I had to get together and take care of, so I was not around and I missed you guys. So we're diving back in and I'm so excited. I have a few Christmas things left to share with you, and then we're diving into the brand new Occasions catalog, which is amazing. I can't wait to share with you guys some of the new products. So today I'm sharing with you my paper share. So a paper share is where I get all of the designer paper from the new catalog. I cut it into quarters, so you get a quarter pack of the paper. I package it up, I label it, and then you get a sample of all the papers in the new catalog so that you can see them before you make a decision on the paper that you want to get. So you get 6 papers all together. I'm missing one set. It is the Floral Romance paper. But here are a couple of the papers that you'll get. You get a quarter pack, and the cost of the paper share is $25 plus shipping, which is $6.95, and then that's 2-day priority mail. So it's tracked, it goes out to you, you get it within 2 days of it getting shipped out. So that's really amazing, you get it really fast. And then you can make a decision before you commit to the 12 by 12 paper. Also, I will be offering 2 free gifts with my paper share. You will get a sample of the butterfly paper that's in the Celebration catalog. I'll show you guys that. And then I have a PDF currently that is the Bloom by Bloom PDF. It features 3 cards. It has exclusive videos to go along with that. And you will get that PDF tutorial for free as well. So you get 2 free gifts when you purchase the paper share from me. I'm excited this year. I have some reinforcements coming in to help me with my paper share as it has grown. I need a little bit of help getting it cut and packaged right away. So I'm excited that I have that this year. So again, this share, you get 6 different packs of paper. It's labeled with the color combo for the paper, the page of the catalog it's on, and the price so that you can order when you're ready. You get 6 different ones from the Occasions catalog. And then you will get a sample of this paper right here, which is gorgeous. This is fun paper because one side of it has all these beautiful colors and you can cut the butterflies out and do lots of different things. But when you flip it over, it's all black and white, which is beautiful. A butterfly is going to be my symbol for my one little word project that I do this year. So I'm excited to get that paper. So you'll get a sample of this as a gift. So the paper share itself is $25, and then there's $6.95 for shipping. And then all the details for the timeline and all will be posted on my website, in the YouTube description, and on Facebook. If you have any questions, please let me know. And thank you so much, you guys, for being here and hanging out with me. I have some more fun stuff for you guys this week. Few last minute Christmas projects we got to get all finished up and done, and then we'll dive right into the Occasions catalog. I hope you're having a wonderful day, and I'm glad to be back creating with you guys, and you will see more of me this next week. Have a great day, guys.
Thank you guys so much for hanging out with me today and watching my videos. Here are 2 other of my most recent videos. I would love for you guys to subscribe to my channel and give this video a thumbs up if you liked it, and I will catch you in my next video. I hope you all have a wonderful day.